The OMRON VTS530 3D AOI is designed to be a fast and flexible platform to address the needs of both pre- and post-reflow inspection. As an original pioneer of the entire AOI industry, OMRON has over 30 years of experience and the largest install base of AOI systems in the Americas. OMRON even uses our own AOI systems in our manufacturing facilities. This unique position means that we're personally invested in the quality and capability of our own inspection solutions. As a factory automation leader, OMRON is unique in that all hardware and software development is performed in-house, and innovation is driven by OMRON's focus on significant R&D reinvestment. In fact, many of the motion control, vision, and safety components used within each AOI system are OMRON devices to ensure reliable, long-term operation and expert-level support. Operation is made simple and user-friendly with integrated touchscreen controls and almost no routine maintenance or calibration required. The VTS530 3D AOI can handle PCBs up to 510 by 680 millimeters, up to 4 millimeters thick, and up to 4 kilograms in weight. Physical top and bottom side PCB clearances are each 50 millimeters. OMRON applies a unique approach to the inspection process. By using a patented hybrid system which combines 3D color highlight shape reconstruction with full 3D phase shift technology, OMRON is able to achieve industry-leading quality and unsurpassed defect detection capability. The VTS530 utilizes objective IPC correlated inspection to provide real-world measurements and stable performance. A dual-lane machine configuration is also available. With advanced hardware and unique software tools, OMRON 3D AOI continues to provide real confidence in the quality and repeatability of the inspection process while maintaining an impressive first-pass yield. A high-speed full 3D inspection process allows the AOI to keep pace with your target cycle time without sacrificing inspection quality. Post-inspection review is critical. To support this important process, OMRON VCA software offers a flexible and configurable solution. The review operator experience is user-friendly and intuitive, offering fully interactive 2D and 3D imagery. The proper balance between simple usability and the right operator tools is maintained to allow for an informed, high-quality inspection review process. OMRON's low AOI false call rate helps keep review operators engaged and observant of real defects and process indicators. OMRON VTS software offers a comprehensive, true offline programming experience. The initial programming and tuning process is fast, easy, and significantly automated. This approach ensures that new programs can be created quickly and success can be achieved without the need for in-depth experience and training, as inspection logic is automatically applied based on OMRON's extensive AOI experience and meets industry standards. OMRON VTS software contains a wide variety of advanced and innovative tools to address the fine-tuning process. The programmer has all the information needed to intelligently design and adjust the inspection approach to match real process results, including fully interactive 2D, 3D, and cross-sectional imagery, sample set result information, and automatically generated data set histograms. Program tuning can be addressed historically or watch in real time how changes made impact the program in live production. The programmer can also choose to put OMRON's AI engine to work to automatically suggest or design the best inspection approach. As a true automation company, OMRON offers a full line of advanced inspection solutions, including 3D SPI, 3D AOI, and 3D CT-AXI. OMRON is also focused on designing and implementing smart factory tools and software solutions that integrate inspection data from across the entire line. Our goal is to provide smart factory and traceability solutions that work and allow you to better understand and analyze your process so that you can move beyond simply inspecting your process to improving it. OMRON QUpNavi software is a powerful tool that allows you to achieve a new level of real process improvement by providing a user-friendly dashboard to monitor and review historical or current inspection result data. Deep dive and trending analysis functions are included, and QUpNavi also helps you to quickly create engineering reports. Robust and innovative process compare tools allow you to easily correlate data and follow components through each stage of the manufacturing process, in order to perform a true root cause analysis of defects and prevent such issues from reoccurring. This in turn helps achieve the goal of a zero-defect manufacturing line. OMRON is committed to providing a quality training experience on all of our systems and software solutions. Knowledgeable and capable instructors are available to tailor the education to match the student and patiently ensure all questions are answered throughout the various training stages. Service and support is key, and OMRON has a long-standing reputation for prioritizing and delivering strong assistance. A team of experienced and skilled engineers is ready to provide whatever help may be needed, so that OMRON continues to be your trusted partner for inspection. OMRON's advanced AOI systems continue to help manufacturers meet the challenges and requirements of today's SMT applications, while improving throughput and quality, reducing waste, and sharpening their competitive edge.